Hey logo designers, this is Michael from the Logo Package, and today I'm going to show you how we can pair fonts using Logo Package Forge. In order to pair fonts, we need at least two lines of type, so I'm going to add a second type line. When I add a second type line, you see that these target icons appear next to the type lines. Let's make a logo for a modern banking app called BankSafe. I'll enter BankSafe in line 1, and a tagline of a safe in your pocket for line 2. I want to see what the tagline will look like in a variety of different fonts. So this is a perfect project for font pairing. I'm going to target the BankSafe line. This will reveal a few new options. We have a drop-down to choose a target font and to choose a partner set. The target font is one font that every variation will include, and every font in the partner set will be paired with the selected target font. In order to choose my target font, I need to select a set that contains the target font. I'm going to choose the text set, and from there I can now choose one font. I'm going to choose Pop-in Semi-Bold. And for my partner set, I'm going to choose the fashion set. The targeted line of BankSafe will be set in Pop-in Semi-Bold, and it will be paired with every font in the partner set, which is my fashion set for the tagline. I would like the BankSafe line to be blue, so I'm going to give it a blue hex code. And I would like the tagline to be in gold, so I will give it a gold hex code. Now I will make logos. As you can see, we have Pop-ins as BankSafe in every variation, but we have paired it with all of the fonts in the fashion set for the tagline. Let's try another experiment. We're going to delete the tagline, and we're going to split BankSafe into two lines, with Bank in the first line and Safe in the second line. Now we're going to change our type stacking from vertical to horizontal. This will put the two type lines next to each other instead of on top of each other. What I would like to see is BankSafe as one line with different font weights. And we can achieve this with font pairing in Logo Package Forge. I have set up a custom set that just has a single font, Montserrat, but it has 3 different weights, and I will use this set to generate font pairings that compare the different weights that we have selected. So again, I think that I would like to choose Bank as my target, and from the drop-down, I'm going to choose Regular. And this time for the partner set, I'm going to actually choose the same set again, Montserrat. So every single one of these variations will have Bank set in Montserrat Regular, and it will compare them to all of the other weights we have selected in the Montserrat set. Let's make logos. And now we see the different weights all paired with Montserrat Regular. And that's how easy it is to pair fonts in Logo Package Forge. Thanks for watching.